Yes, dear viewers, welcome again to my YouTube channel. And in this video we are going to handle PowerPoint. PowerPoint is an application on a computer that helps presenters to make their presentations. For example, when you have made a research and you want to present, like to teach in a crowd of people, this is the app you are going to use to present the Microsoft PowerPoint. That we are in PowerPoint. Basically what we are going to look here is we are just going to handle the different terms which are used in micro PowerPoint. In this case I am first going to take you through the plan presentation. It is on this one that we are going to use now, that we are going to get some of these elements and features we use in PowerPoint. First of all, we have what we call a slide. This one where the cursor is what we call the slide. And a slide is a single page or a screen on presentation. It is a slide, this one. There are very many, you can add as many as possible. And we have what we call a slide master. A slide master is somewhere here. So a slide master is just a template that controls the layout and designs of slide in a presentation. All the designs within the presentation is handled by the slide master. The other one, we have what we call the layout. The layout, it is here. It is just at the upper side where we use for entering and correcting the necessities what we want. The layout, it is an arrangement of text and images on the slide. How text and images are arranged on the slides is what we call that one. We have this one. This one is called the animation. Animations are basically effects applied to objects. It is on a slide. It is applied on a slide. It controls the entry, the exits, and the movements of text within the PowerPoint. That is the animation. Then the transition. The transition is the visual effects. If you have applied the animation, the transition is that visual effect, how you see how it appears, how it dances, others come while cutting, others come while spinning. You know how others come in a circular path. That is as a result of applying the transitions. We have the presenter view. Presenter view, it's just a future. Like it is a future. You just come on the presenter view here. Then after you click on the data and the information you have entered, it will come right away and you start presenting. It is basically the work of the presenter view. We have what we call the bullet points. The bullet points, they are basically here. If I've entered this one, I will now have different options in the my slide. What format am I going to use? Am I going to use a dash, or this is circular little circular points for entry, or by putting the next point where we are using dot? That is what we call the bullet points, the one we normally use. We have Smart Arc. Smart Arc is a feature that allows us to create diagrams. For example, in these things of insert there is drawing. If I want to draw something, if I want to put a feature, I will have to use a Smart Arc. It will help us basically to put that one. So members, having seen most of these terms, it is basically easier and more noticeable for us to understand this. You just follow these top key highlights which has been given on top of the presentation. It will help us to basically understand this thing more. Just tell us that let's stay tuned for the various videos that are coming. We like, we subscribe, we share, we comment. We shall be simplified. I wish you well all.